Hey guys, welcome back to G's Autos. For those of you who haven't seen the show, my name is Greg. Thank you very much for joining me. I've got a couple of different cars on the go at the moment. Well, they're not different, they're exactly the same model car. I've got two AE82 Corolla Secas. One is named Nigel and the other is Trevor. Nigel was originally a 4AC Auto, which I'm converting to a 4AG small port with the 5-speed behind that one and putting on a set of twin side draft Webers. The second one, which is Trevor, that is a stock as a Rock 4AC with the 5-speed behind it. So Trevor's going to be worked on a little bit later on down the track. Most of the work I'm doing at the moment is focused directly on Nigel. So the last couple of days, well, this weekend, I've been working on getting the undercarriage finished off, the underbody, getting it all cleaned and painting the rear wheel wells and the rear turrets as well. So this is just a quick video update just to show you the final painting of the sound deadener on there. So guys, take a look. Hope you enjoy. If you're liking the content and everything to do with the channel, please hit the subscribe button. I really do appreciate all your support, and if you see any videos you like, please press the like button. Thanks guys. Driver's wheel arch, rear wheel arch is now, or wheel well I should say, is done. I've laid it on pretty thick. The turret area came up good. Hopefully this footage is turning out okay. Alright. Flip you back over this side. Now what you'll see is a couple of spots there which are close to the inside of the wheel arch, but I've still got to get this area cleaned up, patched up because of the rust that's come out, and once that's done then I'll hit the inside with another layer. Same with that area there, so no big deal at this stage. Alright, let's take a look at the passenger side. Okay, here we are on the passenger side. I've got the light on the camera, so it's making it look a bit yellow and some areas look a bit white. I'll bring it over here. So now the problem I ran into today was I wasn't able to get my hands on any seam sealer, so I will fix that little patch up next week. It's no biggie. It's all good. Turret area came up good. Very happy with the results. Once all the suspension's in there, it should come up really nice because all the suspension components, they've all been painted. Let's have a look under, up towards the fuel filler. Not picture perfect, but I'm happy. Right, let's flick around. Have a look. Sorry guys. I didn't do right up into here. The factory stuff was still pretty good. So there you have it. I'm happy, it's done. And well, within the next 2 weeks I'll be putting the suspension and steering back in, so we'll be able to get this beast back on its feet. Good stuff.
It is all about me. Thank you very much.